potty. It's not really morning. Well, it is morning still because it's 11 o'clock. And I got a cup of tea in my hers mug. Shaun's got his mug. He's still in bed at the moment. We didn't get to bed till 1ish last night, so because we're old, we sleep in. No really big plans today for anything. Gotta water the plants today because I water the inside ones and some of the outside ones once a week so they grow nice. So that's today. I've got my alarm on my phone so I don't forget. And I'm not sure what we're doing today, so I'll have to bring you along with us. I'm gonna enjoy my tea and I'll catch up with you soon. Hello.
Hi everyone.
Shaun's up. We just did all the plant watering. And I just put a load of washing on. We've been watching Unsolved Mysteries on Netflix. It's pretty good, except they're unsolved, so kind of scary at the same time that they haven't found who did it. Like, there's a lot of we think this person did it or that sort of thing, but hasn't really solved the mysteries. Haven't been up to much today. Just, as I said, yeah, we've just been watching Unsolved Mysteries and we watered the plants. We brought that chain of hearts back in because I did have it outside because the other one that I propagated it off is actually hanging outside, but I feel like it's a little bit too cold for this one, so I've put it just over there on the top of the desk, and we'll see how it goes for a little while, and then when it hits summer I'll put it out because that's when it seems to flourish. So while we relax, I will see you soon. Alright, so got the pork in the air fryer. Shaun's chopping up some vegetables, aren't you, honey?
Yeah, because Mrs. Dad do it.
We've got potatoes, we've got pumpkin. There's carrot in the fridge if you want carrot, but this is a lot. So, we'll see.
Do you want the seeds?
Yeah, I do. Shaun saves the seeds so we can plant them later and get pumpkins. So Shaun's finished chopping. Now he's just gonna chuck it in the pot. Chuck it in Chancy. We like a lot of pumpkin. And we'll do like
potatoes
a few potatoes because there's a lot of pumpkin in there. Now we have all the potatoes. We're not going to have much. As I said, there's a lot of pumpkin. Chuck them in there. Beautiful. And then I'll put the seasoning on and it'll be ready to go in Chancy. Alright, I put some salt and, oh, she's heavy. And some oil. Now we press the little button, bring it up to 200, and I think it's 1 hour. So we're gonna do this. Oh, only goes up to 30 minutes. We'll start it there, and then see how we go. This is my handy dandy book. I got this air fryer from Aldi's. Love my air fryer. Alright, so where are we looking? Pork. Okay, I found it. Roast meat. Oops, 180 degrees. How many grams was ours?
just over a kilo. So yeah, a couple of hours.
Yeah.
Well, 50 minutes.
50 minutes, that's alright. We've got to take it out and shake it anyway. And then
Turn the temperature down.
gotta turn the temperature down. There we go. It's hard doing it with the camera in your hand. And then we'll take it out, shake it, and then put it back in again. Alright, she beeped. Ooh, it's looking yummy. See, and then I just move things around and put it back in again.
See how it looks like now.
Ta-da! Yummy.
It's a little bit brown.
The potatoes are a little bit brown, but looks good. So this is my plate and Shaun's plate. Yummy. Bon appetit.
Hello everyone. Put it on the table.
So after Unsolved Mysteries, we ended up watching this 21 Again show.
Yeah. It's a group of mums and their daughters are like 16 to 24 thereabouts, and then they turn their mums into 21 in makeup and the way they dress and all that, and they've got to do it for 21 days, and yeah, you can say stuff too.
You're telling the story.
And yeah, they teach their mums what difference between sexualities, as in bisexual, transgender, and all that, politics and vegan, whatever options. And yeah,
So pretty much it's just that they show their mums how like they have to go through life
in their generation.
in their generation, and like showing them social media and everything, all topics like dating as well and stuff like that. So yeah, it's been pretty interesting to see how the mums get along. I mean, one of the mums is 32. She's younger than me. So I'm like, how are you even like acting that old? I don't even act that old.
Yeah, her daughter was 16 though, so yeah, she had her at
She had
16.
her when she was 16.
Yeah.
So it's just like, I don't know, I guess she was brought up different. I don't know. Who knows? But it's a pretty good show anyway.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna chill, and for the rest of the night.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll probably see you guys again tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.